What is the process of cell mitosis? You've seen your hair grow, you've seen how if you get cut, it heals. These are all results of mitosis itself. Now, what is mitosis? Mitosis is the process in which a cell divides to create new but completely identical cells. And there are 5 stages in this division. First, prophase. Second, metaphase. Third, anaphase. And last but not least, telophase.
In the first stage, prophase, the nucleus begins to degrade and the DNA inside begins to condense. The way this happens is the DNA in the nucleus begins to wrap around these histone proteins, and it condenses and makes sister chromatids, which are held together by the centromere. These proteins are called centrosomes, and they move to the side and they begin to release these string proteins that are called microtubules, and these microtubules actually start heading towards the sister chromatids, more specifically the centromeres.
In the second stage, metaphase, which is the longest phase, the microtubules connect to the centrosomes of the sister chromatids, more specifically the kinetochores. What they do is they push or pull the chromatids to the very middle of the cell and align them. Oh, another way to remember this is the letter M is in both words, middle and metaphase.
In the next stage, which is called anaphase, the sister chromatids are actually pulled apart by the motor proteins, and they would break the centrosome, and the sister chromatids are pulled to each side and evenly distributed. In the last stage, which is telophase, the nucleus actually begins to reform and the cleavage begins to form, where you see the cell begin to split. Now, cytokinesis isn't really part of the stages of cell mitosis, but at the very end, there is cytokinesis, which is actually where the cell splits into